So I'll bring you guys over here. This right there, those railroad ties. There's 3 of them right here, and I was able to jump on and jump off, on and off. So over here, the highest part has 4. It has 4. Now, I am going to do a challenge, and I'm going to try to bunny hop up, salad, like salad like this, or do anything, go all the way on like that, or something, but jump on top of these 4 railroad ties. First attempt. No. Wait, I need more. I think I could do that. I could do it. Ooh, no. I put a foot down. I'm gonna try more. I'm gonna try like 5 more times. Oh! Oh! I did it! I did it.